Southern Leyte is a province in eastern Visayas. It is subdivided into 18 municipalities with a total population of 429,573 people. We have Macrohon with a population of 26,580. Next is Maasin City, which is the capital of the province. It has a population of 87,446. The third is Padre Burgos with a population of 11,159. Next is an island municipality where the Mass was held, led by Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. Its population is 6,191. Now let's go to Malitbog with a population of 23,256. Beside it is Thomas Opus with 16,990 people. Right above it is Bontoc, having 29,779 people. After Bontoc, we have Sogod with a population of 47,552. We now go to Silago, which has a population of 13,116. Hinunangan has a population of 29,149. We move down to Hinundayan, a small town with a population of 6,108. Another small town is Anahawan with 8,429. Next to it is San Juan, having 14,912 people. Bigger town beside it is St. Bernard. It has a population of 28,414. Adjacent to it is Libagon with a population of 15,244. Now, let's jump to Panaon Island. First, we have the town of Liloan. Its population is 24,800. Further down south is San Francisco. Its population is 13,436. The town of Pintuyan has 10,202 people. Last but not the least is San Ricardo. This town has 10,500 people. The biggest municipality in terms of population is Maasin City, the capital. The population is 87,446. Remember the total population of Southern Leyte? It's 429,573. The population of Maasin as a fraction of the population of Southern Leyte is 87,446 over 429,573. Round off the numerator and denominator to the nearest 10,000 gives us 90,000 over 430,000. I can actually express this in simplest fractions. By writing the numerator and denominator beside each other, I can see that they can both be divided by 1,000, giving us 90 and 430. But we can still divide by 10, so we have 9 and 43. Since 43 is prime, then 9 over 43 is already the simplest term. I can also convert this to decimal by dividing 9 by 43. Since 43 is greater than 9, there are no 43s in 9. Then, we'll have to add a decimal point and borrow some zeros. There are two 43s in 90 since 43 times 2 is 86. Now we are left with 4 from 90 minus 86. We borrow another 0, giving us 40. There are 0 43s in 40 since 43 is greater than 40. Let's borrow another 0. There are 9 43s in 400 and 9 times 43 is 387. So 400 minus 387 is equal to 13. Let's stop here. So 9 over 43 is 0.209 in 3 decimal places. Rounding it off to the nearest hundredth is 0.21. Do you know that we can convert a decimal to percent by multiplying it with 100? 0.21 times 100 is 21. So the population of Maasin is 21% of the total population of Southern Leyte. Can you do this for the smallest town? Come on, take the challenge. Bye!